This is Pluto, and it used to be a planet, but it isn't anymore. Let's talk about that. Alright, so you may have heard the story about how in 2006, Pluto was declassified as a planet and reclassified as a dwarf planet. But like, what does that even mean? In order to understand why this happened, we have to discover what the difference between a planet and a dwarf planet is. So let's figure that out. Alright, so a planet is essentially just a large body that orbits a star. Obviously, there are some exceptions to this, such as rogue planets, but we'll go into that in another video. But if that's the case, then why isn't Pluto a planet? So once again, according to Merriam-Webster, a dwarf planet is defined as a celestial object similar to a planet but is too small to clear its orbit. Now, this explains what the distinction is, but then why even make the distinction in the first place? Well, according to labexchange.com, the reason is that there were just too many planets being discovered. The reason we separated that is because if we didn't, then there would be like more than 20 planets. Subscribe if you learn something new.